It's Gareth, and that's Janet.
Hello.
And we are in the port of Honolulu today, and we're gonna take the hop on, hop off, or Waikiki trolley. We decided at the last minute, booked it yesterday when we were supposed to be in Hilo, but we skipped that. So we're in here with hundreds of our best friends, new best friends. More later.
And this is our first port on our 16-day Hawaii cruise.
Yeah, so we got 6 days at sea. This is day 7. Well, 8. So it's been a half an hour and we're still in the theater.
Yeah, they tell you to be here at 8. It's 8:20. We've been here since about 10 till 8.
And nobody's saying anything. They took one group. Well, it's 8:30 now. And we've got several rows.
And people are already fighting.
Hi. So, Janet and Gareth finally getting off the ship in Honolulu, Hawaii. And we're going to do the hop on, hop off bus, the Waikiki trolley. And I feel a little sprinkle here. You know, if you read the news, of course you're not watching this when it's happening, but they've had a vicious storm come through here. So, but when you get off the ship, you're going to enter in this big terminal building, which was not made for people. And then you get into this huge building, and this was made for tourists. But we're just going to walk through it. Not out yet. So now here in the outer terminal, it's another line of people waiting to get on the hop on, hop off. Well, it's just before 9 and we're finally on the move. But there are bathrooms there if you need them. So we're finally out of the terminal building. And I see a couple of buses, so they use this trolley thing and then the double-deckers. But we're at the end of this line, so I'm not sure how they're going to do it. So we're on the top of the double-decker bus. See that? That's the terminal. Ship's on the other side of it. So we're on the Emerald Princess. Let's go up. Downtown Honolulu. There's that place. We haven't gone very far. The ship is right back there. Alright, this is Ala Moana Beach. Well, boat harbor. Kewalo Basin. This is the beginning of Ala Moana Beach and Beach Park. And it's a long stretch of white sand. And it curves around out to the point there. You can just barely see. It is raining, it has been raining. Ala Moana Center is on the other side of the road. Got a Macy's and a Bloomingdale's. So look at the banyan trees there. These are the hotels. Waikiki Beach is on the other side of all the tall hotels. King David. And a park. Got off the double-decker bus. This is Waikiki Shopping Plaza or whatever. And we want to get on the Blue Line bus right here. And I think it's... Is there seats there?
Yeah. So red line is back there. So you see the blue sign? So it'd be the red sign. Right there.
Thank you.
So we got on the Blue Line, but there are no seats.
Double-decker bus.
We were.
Yeah,
That one right there. Oh. But we're on the Blue Line bus now. So we're leaving the Waikiki Shopping Plaza on the Blue Line. And heading
Alright, if you're
to,
standing, please hold on to the straps.
With stops along the way. There's where you buy the tickets if you didn't buy them on board.
Our tour is about 2
Down
hours.
to the international marketplace.
We go way out.
Got big trees in there. There's an ABC store. Of course, we already just passed
Alright,
one.
coming up on my right, this is the famous Moana Surf Rider. So this was the first hotel on island. Nicknamed the First Lady of Waikiki. She opened up in 1901. And back then, you could get a room for $1.50. Now with inflation, probably $500 a night. So every trolley is 40 minutes apart. Yeah. New Makapu'u statue. The world back in the early 1900s. The Duke statue. Yeah, check out this board back then. The Hawaiians used to make their boards out of cordwood and it weighed over 100 pounds. So he taught the Californians, the Aussies, and the Brazilians taught them how to surf. He was also the Olympic swimmer, 3-time gold medalist. His first Olympics, broke the freestyle record in swimming. The second Olympics, he broke his own record. He's also the first sheriff of Hawaii.
Here's the Honolulu Zoo. And we're kind of at the end of Waikiki Beach. There's another statue. And another big banyan tree.
So today the locals use the park for almost everything, from sporting events to charities, parades, marathons. You can learn how to surf on the park, do some Tai Chi.
So here's the Waikiki Aquarium.
Alright.
See, we have to stand, so it's hard to shoot video.
Next,
So that's Diamond
about to land
Head.
on
And it's actually
Honolulu
round,
Airport.
a circle
Diamond Head crater.
crater. And you can watch our video. We hiked
So
up
if you,
to the very top of
green
that.
line is down, sorry.
Boy, was it a hike.
Yeah, it was
Alright,
pretty
coming up on my
strenuous.
left, this is the Dillingham Fountain. So Dillingham was the main one that dredged all of the shorelines here in Waikiki and most of Oahu.
Down at the base of Diamond Head.
Alright, coming up on my right, this is the Diamond Head Lighthouse. So before they built this lighthouse, a lot of ships would wreck along the shorelines of Waikiki because of the coral reefs. So they started construction of the lighthouse back in 1898, completed in 1899. It took over 1 year. So back in the day, if you stepped foot in the water, you would step on a fish. So this was Oahu's biggest fish pond. And a lot of Hawaiians, especially the ones over in the mainland, whenever any of their kupunas or elders, whenever they pass away, their wish was to return home. So a lot of them would come back and spread the ashes of their loved ones right here in Honolulu. 3,000 years old. You can see the trail from right here.
Yeah.
So the trail is an old railroad track that the military used to use.
This is where the boat is.
Alright, we've reached Alona Block.
Hey, a bucket. There it is. So here's Honolulu, and we are there. Of course, that seems like in the ocean, but anyway. That's Infinity Beach. Yeah. Those rocks into infinity. On this side, it's Sandy Beach. But we're going to the Makapu'u Lighthouse, which I guess is on the end of that. Hey, a 12-hole, sort of. bedding. So this is Sandy Beach, of course, the sandy part. We already passed. There's the rain again. Falling on me. Okay, so this is Makapu'u Lookout, and the blue bus and no other hop-on hop-off bus normally stops here. But we convinced our driver just to make a stop here, so we're gonna hike the Makapu'u Lighthouse Trail. But then we've got to walk to Sea Life Park. So there's the Sea Life Park. We've got to walk down there to catch the next bus, and that's Makapu'u Beach. And the lighthouse is on the other side of that mountain. And the trail is back behind us. Bird. Walk out to the Makapu'u Lighthouse. So here's where we part ways with the blue line for a few minutes. The trail is down about a quarter of a mile from here. And I think it's going to be very windy out there, with chance of baking pan. Alright, so we hiked up the trail and back down. Took about an hour and a half round trip, although I think it took us an hour to get up and only half an hour to get down. But we're out at the main road, and we got to walk up to Makapu'u Beach and then to the Sea Life Center, which by the way is closed today, but that's where we're going to catch our hop-on hop-off blue bus. This is the Makapu'u Lookout, where we got off the bus and then walked down that road. But over the hill here is the Sea Life Center and Makapu'u Beach. That's the Makapu'u Lookout, and that's the turquoise water. Makapu'u Beach. I guess those are Makapu'u rocks. I'm trying to go down here. Somebody's put in some steps. It's actually not a bad trail. It's rock made into steps mostly. And then we're in the sand. All right. We're going to walk out to the beach and go in the water. Let's go right over there. Oh, I'm in the water. Whoa. You might see the lighthouse off. We walked to that. We just walked to it. Now we're turning around and going out. We're leaving the ocean. So there's a parking lot over there and a bathroom. And then the Sea Life Center is across the street, and that's where we're going to catch the blue bus. I don't know if Princess wants me to tell you this or any other cruise line. We always, go to the fitness center and grab a couple towels just for this purpose. And, anything else you might need a towel for.
We don't keep them.
Of course we return them. Well, that's Makapu'u Beach. And there's Makapu'u Point Lighthouse. And the warnings. Ouch. So here's the restrooms. The women's actually had an entrance down on the other side. So without looking, I assumed that was the men's. I wonder why there were no urinals though. So there's a busy road and no stop sign and no crosswalk and no nothing except Sea Life Park, Hawaii. Santa Catalina Seaside Chapel. Huh. Park is closed today, like I said before. The trolley went right by us. And he's gonna go down there and park. See the giraffes? This is the Honolulu Zoo, like he just said. Well, as you can see, we're back at the ship and the planes are flying overhead. So from Honolulu, Hawaii,
I'm Janet,
and I'm Garrett.
and we'll see you in the next port.
Bye!
Bye. Aloha. Thanks for watching.
Aloha! And the next port is Nauili, Kauai.
Bye-bye.
Bye.